Yeah, hi guys. So I've got these just parts I'm selling. I'll just put this as very cheap price. So all this has some parts for iPhone 8, 8 Plus. I will show you what I have here, so you can see what you're getting. These are some cables. 8G Wi-Fi Flex, power Wi-Fi. These are that's not included. 8 vibrator, charging port, volume flex, vibrator, this coil, that's the wireless charger for iPhone 8, SIM card trace. I don't know what model is that for, maybe you can use it, but these are for iPhones. Some more SIM trays, volume flex, iPhone 8, iPhone X Bluetooth, 8 volume, iPhone 8 front camera, volume flex, 8 volume flex, iPhone 8 wireless charger. These are the rear camera lenses. There's few in there. Power flex. These are the loudspeakers for iPhone 8. That's not included, that's just a faulty screen or something. Some more SIM trays, 8G wireless coil. Basically all this stuff you will get. There's this iPhone X volume flex cable as well. That's what it is, that's what it looks like. iPhone 8 Plus wireless coil. There's some more. Eight Plus power flex. iPhone 8 power flex. Vibrator. iPhone 8 loudspeaker. iPhone X loudspeaker. So that's what I'll be shipping it. Whoever buys the listing, all these things. So yeah, this as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you very much.